Are you considering DreamHost as your hosting provider? Let's find out if it will be a good fit for your site. I'll walk you through its pros and cons, and we'll have a look at what to expect from its performance. Welcome to WebsiteToolTester.com, where we help you launch your website. Founded in LA in 1996, DreamHost has been around forever. Since then, it's become a really popular host, powering more than 1.5 million sites and claiming to have 400,000 happy customers. But let's find out if it's for you too. In this video, I'll be looking at DreamHost's affordable shared plans. Be aware, though, that it offers higher performing products too. Its shared hosting packages are simple, as they only have 2 tiers. The Shared Starter Plan, which is suitable for those looking to host only one website and don't need more than 50 gigabytes of storage. Bear in mind that email storage isn't included in this plan. You will need to pay for it separately if you need it. The Shared Unlimited package comes with unmetered storage, websites, and email. Pretty generous. All plans allow for unlimited traffic, come with free SSL certificates, 24-hour support, and a free domain name for a whole year. Be aware that DreamHost offers large discounts when committing for 1 or even 3 years, but if you wanted, you could also pay monthly. It's up to you. As you can see, DreamHost's backend is minimalistic and well-designed, a breath of fresh air when compared to other providers. Personally, I find it easy to use thanks to its intuitive system and this handy side menu that gives me quick access to everything I need. Even if the DreamHost system looks simple, it still has some powerful features. For example, I love that you can give access and define roles for other users, meaning that I don't need to share my login and password with colleagues. Let me show you a couple of DreamHost peculiarities. Like most hosting providers these days, it comes with one-click installs, but only for a couple of CMSs like WordPress or Joomla. If you're planning to use a different CMS like Magento or Drupal, you'll have to install them manually. Let's install WordPress so you can see the process. Just click here and decide where to install WordPress. After a couple of minutes, your website will be up and running, and you'll get a confirmation email with the site's information. DreamHost has a solution which will make the WordPress setup process easier if you're a beginner. For example, it comes with several plugins, free themes, and security improvements. Not a bad add-on. DreamHost keeps daily backups of your websites for about 2 weeks, so you can always contact them if you have an emergency. On top of that, from the backup section, you can create temporary backups to download. Sadly, there isn't a more advanced on-demand backup system integrated in, but you could buy it as an affordable extra via its DreamObject cloud storage. As one would expect, DreamHost takes security seriously. All its hosting plans come with free SSL certificates via Let's Encrypt, and the domains you register with it will always come with domain privacy enabled for free. Its servers support HTTP2, which is encrypted by default. Additionally, it has firewalls in place. It also uses the latest version of PHP to avoid using unsafe code. On top of that, enabling multi-factor authentication will add an extra layer of security to your account. You won't be able to log into your DreamHost account without your smartphone. At WebsiteToolTester.com, we run a lot of tests for several hosting providers, DreamHost included. So I have a pretty clear idea about its performance. Spoiler alert, it's very good. Let me show you. Unlike similar shared hosting providers, DreamHost doesn't neglect its uptime. We monitor several DreamHost sites, and the uptime has always been higher than 99.95%. Impressive. But of course, you also want to know how good DreamHost's speed is. Truth to be told, its speed surprised me in my first performance tests. Even the entry-level shared hosting plan has decent speed, as you can see here. Our test pages loaded in less than 3 seconds. To push its speed further, it uses a combination of hardware and software. For example, it uses SSD drives, HTTP2, and PHP 7 for faster websites. Note that they only have servers in the US, which may not be ideal if your website's main audience is outside North America. However, it does provide other hosting plans with CDN services included to solve this. DreamHost support is available via live chat and a ticketing system powered by email. I always prefer contacting them via chat, but that's just my preference. In my experience, support agents were friendly and helped me solve my issues. The waiting times weren't too long either. So that's all. But let me summarize the main pros and cons. On the bright side, the performance is great, both for uptime and speed. The support is fast and helpful, and its dashboard is easy to use and good for managing users. However, its servers are exclusively located in the US. It's missing some one-click installs like Drupal and doesn't integrate advanced backup functionality for free. I hope you found this DreamHost review useful, and please leave a comment if you still have any questions.